Welcome back to Shib everyone. Next week, SHIB will soar. The release date for Sharium was just revealed. Today's Shiba Inu news. The 2-year-old meme coin project Shiba Inu is gradually developing into an ecosystem that can support itself. The adoption of cryptocurrencies might be greatly accelerated if the dog-themed currency is successful. In this video, we'll discuss how SHIB will soar next week. The release date for Sharium was recently revealed. Today's Shiba Inu news. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. Shiba Inu's price may be suffering from the current crypto winter, but its ecosystem's growth initiatives are undoubtedly not. The Shiba Metaverse development team has revealed Tech Trench, a new concept artwork that aims to show off the appearance of their metaverse. The goal of the Tech Trench Hub was to develop an immersive experience that showcases the various stages of development for certain technologies, from ancient times to the current hyper-technological world. The team wrote in a blog post on Wednesday. The blog entry said, "This hub allows for a deeper connection with cultural reassurance and lessons learned from the innovative and daring journey SHIB as a project and community has endured." Additionally, the hub, which was developed in collaboration with the Third Floor, TTF, a preeminent visualization studio, will contribute to the preservation and exhibition of cultural learning opportunities for everyone who enters and helps to define the future of decentralized ecosystems and educational foundations. The center, depicted in black and white colored illustrations, includes architectural concepts from more than 6 global places, such as the Rolex Learning Center in Switzerland, Senwa University, Mode Gakuen Kokun Tower in Japan, and Yale and Princeton Universities in the United States. The most recent disclosure coincides with developers advancing a number of initiatives to join Sharium, the native metaverse of Shiba Inu. The pinnacle of Shiba Inu's history as a community will be virtually showcased in March of this year through the Shibarium metaverse. The company debuted Scenic Dunes earlier this week, a brand new concept art that would function as a kind of refuge. It depicts a huge, modern, and daring setting with flashy buildings and refreshing water. The ecosystem's primary developer, Satoshi Kusama, who previously said he is concentrating on Sharium, alluded to an enigmatic but possibly bullish milestone today. The initial design was accepted. "I can now go all out." Kusama tweeted, "Let the debris show itself as the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world," implying some significant news, either Shibarium or the mobile game Shiba Eternity 2. As the crypto contagion rabbit hole widens, the price of SHIB has been subdued despite recent comments from SHIB developers that have encouraged investors. The leading meme token has dropped over 12% in the last week, despite rising in late October. As the market calms down and the Shibarium debut draws closer, the price may rise. Following a 1.27% decline over the previous day, SHIB was trading at 0.000000912 at the time of writing. It could be helpful to purchase SHIB in order to be ready for the impending economic collapse. As a result, there are hundreds of distinct businesses. Over the course of the week, the advance increased even faster when the psychological milestone of 0.00001000 was broken. Even if it's still a ways off, traders need to be mindful that 0.0000007 might be imminent and might set a new multi-year low in the weeks ahead. Following the Luna stablecoin fiasco from earlier in the summer, Shiba Inu's price is expected to post one poor performance. Although traders received some respite from that circumstance, a large cryptocurrency broker named Genesis suspended withdrawals and repayments after FTX's abrupt default, although the cryptocurrency asset class remains still shaky at its core. Due to the unfavorable sentiments and connotations associated with its overall label, SHIB is not in a good position in the aftermath. This is the final plunge for SHIB traders, but the dust will need to settle if there are any more victims following the FTX disaster. Prior to testing and setting new lows, Shiba Inu's price would plummet once more and reach that 0.00000007. There will likely be more positive buying in the near future if the FTX contagion is restrained by next week and the weeks that follow. Given that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is trading extremely close to the oversold level and is poised for a greater bounce, it would make sense. This could indicate that the price of Shiba Inu may rise over the monthly S1 support level and hover around 0.00001 before continuing to rise due to more tailwinds. For SHIB to flourish, a feeling of community is essential. The community has consistently come together to support SHIB's expansion, whether they are demanding that it be listed on Robinhood or asking McDonald's to accept it as a form of payment. A sizable community of NFT artists who specialize on Shiba Inu dogs and their artwork has also sprung up there. Ben Caslin, head of research and strategy at AAX, stated, "It's important to understand that what we're seeing is the mass movement of traders new to crypto moving into the space, rather than just dismissing the hype outright." He went on to say, "SHIB coin accepts that it is a meme coin. It will switch to the proof of stake POS consensus method from the proof of work POW consensus mechanism since it is based on the Ethereum platform. The forthcoming Ethereum 2.0 shift will undoubtedly have an effect on the currency's growth as well. We need to be aware that different analysts' forecasts for the market differ greatly. Since experts are not always able to foretell events like political or environmental crises, these predictions will frequently turn out to be incorrect. When investing in a cryptocurrency, especially one as volatile as SHIB, it is prudent for investors to do their own research. For example, according to a Changali blog post, experts have examined SHIB values and market movements and have concluded that the cryptocurrency may reach a high of 0.0000548 and a low of 0.0004183. with its average price staying at 0.00004335 for the aforementioned year. Its potential return on investment is estimated to be 3,122%. According to certain cryptocurrency analysts, the price of Shiba Inu coin may reach a new all-time high in 2025. Telegon agreed. Conversely, they are not overly optimistic about the price increase in 2022, despite the fact that they anticipate burning enough tokens this year. They estimate that SHIB's minimum and maximum prices will be 0.00009839 and 0.00001928, respectively. It was estimated to have an average price of 0.00001152. Satoshi Kusama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, proudly states in his Twitter bio that he is totally devoted on Shibarium. The SHIB army had been waiting a long time for the announcement made by the enigmatic coder on Wednesday night. Mr. Kusama declares, "Initial design approved," adding that it's time to step up. Sharium can be summed up as follows: the flow of kindness and truth washes over the world. Sharium is now being tested by the SHIB development team. Shiba Eternity, a collectible card game that debuted on October 6, 2022, served as the test platform for the Layer 2 solution. The official player's manual for Shiba Eternity, which is 1,100 pages lengthy, was recently written by Satoshi Kusama. The mobile version of the well-liked card game sets the stage for future Shiba NFTs, even though the blockchain version hasn't been released yet. However, the SHIB development team has other projects in the works besides Sharium. In collaboration with the Third Floor, TKF, the meme coin's own Web 3.0 project, SHIB, the metaverse, is also making headway. The Layer 2 upgrade that drives all three of SHIB's next projects is being created in collaboration with Xfund, while Shiba Eternity is being developed by Playside Studios. According to a Changali blog post, the average price of SHIB in 2030 would be 0.000030921. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.